Hey, so we're here in San Cipriano, a river which is, wow, maybe around about 2 hours away from Cali, which is the main city. So what I'm going to talk to you guys today about is the safety, because I keep on getting this question over and over again. Is it safe in Colombia? Is it safe in Colombia? My answer to that question is yes. I'm here in the jungle at the moment. There's loads of greenery just behind us. So that should kind of answer your question in a nutshell. Is it safe? I'm in the middle of a jungle where there are snakes, pythons, all sorts of dangerous sorts of animals. So to cure your apprehension about this country, okay, is it dangerous? It's relative to where you stay. So let me explain something to you. Here in Colombia, they have things called stratus, okay? So you have a stratus 0 to a stratus 6. A stratus 0 is like the poorest of the poor. We're talking about shacks, etc., etc. So if you set up shop as a Westerner in a stratus 0, expect to stand out. There are hungry people there who are starving, who don't have anything whatsoever. So the likelihood of something happening to you or you getting robbed is highly likely. However, if you stay in a stratus 6, which is, or anything from a strata, I would say 3 to 6, you're going to be all right. But I tend to sway more towards 4 to 6. So I tend to stay around those areas between 4 and 6 because it's the safest. I grab myself an Airbnb. I have done hostels which are really, really safe. I've met loads and loads of expats, etc., etc. So in actuality, in order for us to get here, we had to take a train which was powered by a motorcycle, which was a really, really weird experience. Very, very unstable. I was sat at the front. If he had stopped suddenly, I would have flown off. There were bridges, there were all sorts of stuff. But hey, we try and live this life on the edge and see things around the world and experience the true culture of the people. But anyway, going back to the danger. Is it dangerous? No, in my opinion. If you're an idiot, yes, it is. To give you some statistics, the danger rate or the metric or performance metric that which measures crime here. So let's take Medellin for instance. Medellin is a very, very developed city. The crime rate per capita has gone down by about 90% in the last 20 years. How has that happened? Cartels still exist, but cartels who sell drugs, obviously it's a business, they want to harmonize between each other. And what I mean by that is harmonizing between each other is conduct business without people being murdered, lynched, kidnapped, etc., etc. So they have come together in some way, shape or form. I don't know how because I'm not involved in that industry. And they have just said, listen, this is a bad public relations campaign for the country. We need to distribute our business or do our business without so much of the violence, and that is basically what's happened, and that's why the crime rate has come down. Crime still happens, there's still petty crime here. If you're an idiot and you talk on your cell phone and you've got the window down, somebody's going to take it. But holistically, in my opinion, I've come here many times, I speak the language, I've gone up to the coast. I'm down here I'm around about 2 hours away from Cali now. No, it's not, but the news tends to report or concentrate on the negativity, as it does always. Drug trafficking happens here. Drug trafficking happens in the United States of America. It happens in Britain. So my thing is, come out here, beautiful landscapes as you can see. You know, got the drone shots, etc., which are flashing by right now. And I would say see it for yourself. You know, I'm trying to make this place my home. I'm in the process of applying for a visa as we speak. So I'm going to be here for around about 6 months if that goes through. Who knows, I could be here for years to come. But don't be afraid, come out, enjoy yourself. It's beautiful, sunshine all day long. I'm in the middle of a jungle, what can I say? Hey, we're out, ciao. If you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe and also leave a comment. Even if you're not watching it on YouTube, go over to YouTube, like and subscribe and leave a comment.